Yes, you can start.
Yeah, please introduce and then we can start. Yeah.
I think they got network issues, sir. Yeah, Sudhakar. Hmm.
Whoever is there, we can start.
Steve. Steve should be presenting.
Yeah. No, you have to unmute yourself. I think Steve is the one with the beard and glasses, isn't it?
I
No,
am
sir, it's
Sudhakar.
Sudhakar, sir.
Sudhakar, okay. So, do Steve, okay.
Can you hear me, sir? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I am Sudhakar, sir. I am currently pursuing BE Mechanical in Banaram Institute of Technology, and we have started an own startup related to technologies, sir. Its name is Kayon Technologies. Okay, sir. That's about my name, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Which year?
Sir,
Which year of Steve?
sir, we are currently final
We are
year.
final
Sir.
year, sir.
Oh, fine, yeah, very good, very good.
Hello, sir. This is Chandan Kumar.
Okay.
I'm pursuing my final year in Manayam Institute of Technology, and my stream is mechanical. And I'm also part of their short startup.
Oh, very good, very good. Next.
Steve.
Steve, I think he have a network problem.
Oh, God.
I'll contact him, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, Steve is on.
Hello, sir. Myself, Steve. I'm a mechanical engineer, Planariman Institute of Technology.
Okay.
And I have done some projects regarding augmented reality and in some projects in IoT based. And today, shall I present the paper, sir?
You can tell. After the we have this presentation of your project, then you can share your paper also. No issues.
Okay, sir. So shall I present the presentation?
You can. But to even have a look at Steve's, because I have not seen Steve. I've seen only his name, and I have not spoken to him. That's the reason I'm waiting. Or if he's not joining, then you can go ahead.
Yeah, myself, Steve, sir. I'm Steve.
He's Steve, sir. The one who is speaking.
I'm Steve.
Why can't you WhatsApp and talk to him also?
Sorry, sir.
Give him a WhatsApp call.
No, I am Steve, sir. Myself, Steve.
Oh, Steve. Okay, then go ahead. I was mistaking somebody, Steve. It's not them. It's you. Okay, go ahead.
Sir, he's starting his presentation, I think.
Yeah, go ahead.
Steve, you can keep your presentation in the presentation mode.
Yeah, is it visible?
You can. Fine. Thank you.
Is it visible?
Yeah, visible. You can proceed, Mr. Steve.
Yeah. Okay. So finding a parking space in a public or a private area is one of the key issues, which we might have encountered many sometimes. So this problem will become harder with the ever increasing private vehicles. So our objective is to enhance the efficiency of parking resource by harnessing the power of IoT and cloud. So it will reduce the searching time with the parking related areas and the traffic congestion and parking related road accident. So
very good.
I'm sure that we can solve this problem if the driver can be informed about the parking availability in advance. So our intention is to provide an application which gives the real-time information about the free parking spaces.
Okay.
So the system architect is very simple, sir. The sensors in the parking area, which will detect the availability of the car, and this data will be sensed periodically by the microcontroller, and those data will be sent to the cloud. And from cloud, the user will have access through the web-based application.
Okay. Can you share that presentation also? Have you already shared?
Yeah, I already shared, sir.
I'm not able to see the presentation.
Sir,
I'm seeing only.
Please pin on to Steve presentation.
I have to pick it up. Huh?
Yeah, you have to pick it up, Steve. Steve presentation.
Okay.
Just pin to that screen so that you can able to look at.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second. About this call. We are new to Google Meet, only Zoom and Teams.
Yes, sir. In the right side, in the meeting details, there are some people, list of display people. So in that you find a Steve presentation. So in that rightmost column, after a speaker symbol, you will be having some more action symbol. In that, if you click, you will get unpin and pin. Like that, you will get pin to the screen. So just click pin to the screen.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I have a pin symbol.
Yeah, pin to screen.
Correct. I have seen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
shall
you
I
can
start it from the beginning?
Yeah.
Should I start it from the beginning, sir, or shall I continue?
Cool. You continue from here, and as a backup, you can take it from the beginning. No issues.
Okay, then continue. I will continue, sir. So the system architect is very simple, sir. As you see the parking sensor here, this sensor will detect the availability of the car, and those data will be sent to the microcontroller will periodically sense those data, sir. And from there, the data will be sent to the cloud. And from cloud, the data will be sent to the web-based application to the end user, sir. So the implementation is very general. When the driver opens the application, he will search for the availability of parking space. So the application will show the available parking space, and thus he can book the parking spot, and he will get access. And the implementation will be different for the private parking area and the public parking area, and some private companies parking area, which is like Walmart's parking area. And this is our Gantt chart, sir. Our timeline. The implementation and analyzing, it will take a month. It depends on the parking area, sir. And the implementation of sensor data and cloud and application development, it will take another month, sir.
So how many months or total time?
Totally 2 months, 2 months to 3 months, sir. That's our time. We couldn't say it precisely, but we can estimate it right now.
Okay. Do you have a parking lot problem in your current place, like in E-Road? Where can you implement it?
Actually, in E-Road, there are many places to implement. Actually, there are no IoT-based parking system right now in E-Road or in my places.
Okay. Which frankly I don't know which where is your college, and where exactly is your place you think you can implement this kind of a project?
Sir, we can implement this type of projects in many stores, like Saravana stores, like Chennai Sales, and many stores, sir.
Okay, you are going to
public areas, sir. In public.
Okay.
Sir, and also we can find these applications in some hotels, sir. Because in hotels there will be a lot of rush to park our vehicles, sir. So this can be used to park safely, sir.
You finish. You continue your presentation. Then I have my clarification.
Yeah, sure. And finally, the conclusion is the parking facility and the traffic management. These are the core construction of smart cities. So our aim is to provide a value to the end users to enhance the quality of their life in smart cities, sir. That's our aim. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Anyone in the team, do you want to share some point? Other than
Yes,
Steve?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'd like to add something, sir. Sir, as our India is developing as smart cities, sir, we can find one of the smart cities is being Erode, sir. If it gets developed, we can also find some technological areas in and around Erode, sir. So, if some technologies like this get developed soon, and we can build a better tomorrow or better future, sir, because it will make
Okay.
our lives easier, right, sir? Within a hand we can find where our vehicles will be parked without any harm or damage. So I think this will be a good one for a future, sir. This is what
Cool.
would like to add, sir.
Very good, very good. Any smart city in A Road coming up, right? That's a good point.
Another thing, sir, I have faced some issues in I currently live in Hosur, sir. Once I went to uh, sir, once I went to Leela Palace in Bangalore, sir. I need to park my car, sir. I was searching a space here and there. The parking lot is about about half a building space, sir. That means it is a very big building, sir. We have to go to the basement and we should park the car, sir. So in that area, first there will be security to that basement, right, sir? We asked to him. He said that there will be one area at the last, sir. We went there, but a car was already parked there, sir. So I kept on searching for the vacant area, sir. I was unable to find there because that was a function area. A marriage event was going on, and we couldn't find a space there. So I went about 300 to 400 meters inside the parking area, and then I
Okay.
was unable to turn my vehicle back, sir, because that area is very limited to cars, right, sir? Parking area will not be that much bigger, sir. It will be limited to a car at the right and a car at the left, and some space at the center, right, sir? So I was unable to steer my car with a U-turn, sir. So I faced this kind of difficulties, sir. So I somehow managed to steer my car, and I came out, sir, and I parked my car near some shop or in the outside road, sir. So if these are implemented, we could find a better way, sir. Because if we are good at driving, it is more than enough, sir. We can find a way to steer out of that parking area, sir. If somebody like old people or some people who will not be able to handle those congesting situations to ride, they will face some issues there, or they may damage another person's car, sir. So if this is implemented, we can find the availability space earlier while entering the parking lot, and we can park our car accordingly, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, Chandan. You can able
yes,
to.
sir. That's it, sir. This is what I was about to say, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, Kristen, sir. Sir, Uma Chandan, sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, your voice is not audible. Uma Chandran, sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, hello.
Okay. Now can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, I can
Yes,
able
sir.
to hear.
Very good. No, I tried my Bluetooth and it was not catching up. That's the reason. Sorry.
That's okay, sir.
Guys, the presentation looks good and it has a feasibility of being implemented. No doubts. But then, what kind of a support do you require? You have not asked that.
Sir, we need an
Have you
support.
heard?
Sir, we have a technical support, sir. We don't need a technical support much more, but we need an
Okay.
support in marketing the product.
Okay.
Mm.
You want marketing alone, but have you made your product available? Can we, see, I mean, the next meeting, I wish to arrange you with Sensibi. If Sensibi is saying we'll have some kind of a model, I mean, alterations or anything, would you be interested in sharing with them?
Sir, we are developing our model, sir. Currently, we are developing our model. Once we have developed, we can, sir, we can present it, sir.
You can send it, but how do you want it to go? Like, will you will you make Sensibi do everything for you, buy you the IoTs and things, or you already have resources to buy and do a testing?
Yes, sir. We have resources, sir. We have currently purchased the things we need for our project. Yes, for developing our models, sir.
Okay, so you don't want any money resources.
For huge development, now prototype, we don't need any support, any money support, sir. For prototype.
Is suitable for small area implementations. It is okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For example, I'll tell you the limitations which this product has. Like if you go to Saravana stores, okay, your app will work. Your app will be suited to Saravana stores layout. If you go to Chennai Silks, you have to make a layout which is suiting to Chennai Silks. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this application has to be done in a bigger way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what I'm doing is like it's a intra-area network.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes, sir.
Internet, see, though this is internet enabled, this is an intra-area network control. So it can go within few parking spots. Like for example, even if you make about 3,000 numbers, so within the 3,000 numbers, this can work. But if you want to make it wide, and if you want to be make it implemented in various positions, various places, then your app should also be taking into account such areas. It means the GIS should also be used if you need to go in for a bigger space within a particular region.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're absolutely right, sir.
Come again?
Sir, you are absolutely right. He said you are absolutely right.
Oh, he said absolutely. Okay, right. No issues. See, tomorrow, next meeting, what I'm going to do is I'll have Sensibi's JP also. JP, the chairman of that company. He along with Purushottam, who's who's in Singapore, works for it's called, I forgot his organization name, but they make the IoTs for Huawei. Okay, and I'll also pick up another friend of mine who's in Hong Kong, who's an entrepreneur by himself. Okay, so these guys, I'll pick them up and I'll ask them also to see your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
But what I want is, I want technicality to be sure.
Sir, shall we finish the prototype, sir, and then we shall proceed with the presentation?
Prototype.
Sorry, sir?
When can you finish the prototype?
Actually, right now we have some academics work going on right now. And also we are preparing for a competitive exam. So we can start it only during February, sir. If it's February, we will finish it by 2 months, sir. It doesn't take more than 2 months.
So we are now in November.
Yes, sir.
No, but you can make a presentation next week. Is it okay?
Yeah, if it's a presentation, it's okay, sir.
Presentation is okay. But some more points I need you to look into and think about also. That is, scaling. See, there is a point of use. Like, for example, you have an idea that can be used. Then you have to multiply that. And then you should also find an alternative use with your idea. So
Okay.
we need to think about these things before we, show up for a person who can support our project.
Okay, sir.
So that is how we will be looking at. They know how to market it. They will market it. They know how to sell this. They will sell it. They know how to use UP to implement it. That's also not an issue. But then, as an entrepreneur, JP will be looking in a different sphere. So I will leave it to him. He can talk to you. So it's not an issue. But my point of view is you have to have some kind of an implemented solution so that you can, either joint venturely you can do along with them, or I know it's all left to the the organization which is going to join with you. So I have no issues about it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. That's fine, sir.
Okay. So I think your presentation is good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, then.
Okay, sir. We'll improve it further on, sir.
Yeah, you need to improve it further on. You need to give some technicalities of what it is, how you are going to capture the signal, how you are going to receive the signal, how you are going to transfer the signal, how you are going to translate it into a machine application. Because this is all what you are telling is only a kind of a proposal. But is the right tool we are using for capturing the signal. Is this the right way? See, for example, if you are seeing a kind of a parking lot. See, the parking lot is again a money-making area. It is not a service area.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's a money-making. So you need to have a lot of people come in and go out. So that's called the occupancy rate, they say. So how quick that same area is used by many people will give you more money. It's not one car coming and staying there for whole day, and then you get money out of it. No, you won't get money. So you need to keep making people move, and at the same time, you should be in a position to help them. So you have to have a lot of thinking. Like, if 3 hours kind of in a parking they want, then where they should go. Then if lesser time they are going to take, where they should go. The pricing will be different. See, you are showing only the parking lot. But JP will see how that parking lot can be made into an economic activity. That's what he will think. He will try to give you a solution where this is one of the modules that can be used for his way of ticketing. That's how the entrepreneur will take this, because he is not willing to help people to keep their car in a space. That is not his probability or requirement. What he wants is he will use this into how to automate the parking lot, or how to make. See, this he can take it to even Singapore or US, and he can use it there. There it will be automation which will come into play, not people. So what you are doing is a driver-enabled application, where how this driver-enabled application can help them. That should also be there. It's not like you have a space and you go and keep your car, but you should keep in a car where you are permitted to stop.
Yes, sir.
So different levels will be there in a building. See, for example, if you are going for a movie, you park your car, and in that space where there is a supermarket, you should not have your car there stationed for a long time. So you should be given a position where it is where people can come and have less flocking. Okay, for areas where it is easily accessible and it is required for more people to mass movement, then that area should be allotted. So there is a lot of things that needs to be worked out here. So I'm not bothered about it. I'm not having any issues on that. But you present yours. You present yours. I will suitably talk it to JP. I'll see how he can try about using it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. We'll try to improve it, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay. Dinesh, you want to add anything?
Yes, sir. All the points you have covered, sir.
Right. So next week, can I have your time?
Yes, next week.
Do you want to have only Google Meet, or why can't you go with Zoom? Because many of the people, everyone is famous with Zoom, except colleges. Colleges are only using, academic institutes are using Google.
Yeah. Students are convenient with this, so that's why I preferred Google Meet.
No issues. If people who are joining, they have issues, you have to bear with them. That's all. No issues. I have no, I mean,
Yes, sir. No,
we
sir.
don't.
Any other platform is good for us, sir. We can use Zoom also, sir. As we have